Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be setting up my coffee and tea bar for fall, and also I will be showing you some of the items that I will be adding to my bar, even though I say it is a bar, but it's actually a cabinet because I don't have space for a bar, so I'm using my cabinet, as you can see right behind me. And I'm going to also do a very simple DIY using Dollar Tree items. And now I'm going to start off with the items that I will be adding to my cabinet to set it up for my coffee and tea. Starting with, and all of the items that I will be showing you are from the Dollar Tree. Starting with these little picks, and I probably use maybe one or two of them on my bar for the fall. Oops, sorry about the noise. I have two of each, and the other one's somewhere over there. And I probably will use maybe one or two of these on my bar as well. And I purchased these little decor items. They came in a pack. I think 6 were in the pack. You get 3 orange and 3 black buffalo check leaves. And I probably will try to use these on a DIY. Matter of fact, I will be using this. I will probably DIY this sign, add some of these little leaves, hot glue them on, and place it on my tea bar area. And all of these items so far is from Dollar Tree. And I purchased these beautiful flowers, faux flowers. And I took the tags off already, so I don't know the names of them, but they are so pretty. And all came from the Dollar Tree. And these are the colors that I will be using for fall and also for winter. I love the burgundy, and I probably would add gold along with it and some brown. So those will be my colors for fall and also for winter. And these beautiful faux flowers, of course, are from Dollar Tree. And the little food items that I will be adding to my coffee and tea bar are these breakfast cinnamon and brown sugar biscuits. And I think I like these. They taste a little bit like animal crackers and graham crackers, but I like them because they're not too sweet. So I will add these to my bar. And also I like eating biscuits, these type cookies, biscuits with my coffee. And I love these mini fudge marshmallow cookies. They go well, believe it or not, with hot chocolate. Instead of using marshmallows, just put these inside of your hot chocolate. They are so good, believe me when I tell you. And I also will be adding this to my bar area, these puffy crisp cookie biscuits. I like these biscuits, but they are very, very flaky, but they're very good. And I think that is the last item I have to show you. And now I'm going to do a very simple DIY using this sign and also these faux decor leaves. Okay, so all I did was hot glue the leaves onto the sign, and it looks good. I think it turned out nice. Very simple DIY, just hot gluing the little decor items to the sign. And all of these items came from the Dollar Tree. And the sign now is ready for my coffee and tea bar area. And now I'm going to show you guys how I will set up my coffee and tea bar area. I'm using my cabinet, of course, and I already placed a runner, and of course this is my Keurig coffee pot. And my favorite cup I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And now I will add the rest of the items to my tea bar area. And also I'll give you guys a closer look of my tea bar area once I'm done. This is also a Dollar Tree DIY. I use a Dollar Tree frame, and the clip art is from Google. I Googled it, and I placed it inside of a frame, and I'm going to Dollar Tree as well. I purchased that a couple of years ago from Dollar Tree. We'll add this one. And I'm using this mirror as a tray. I purchased this from Family Dollar. I think it was like $6 maybe, and I'm going to place it on top of another tray to add my little tea set on top. And this beautiful teacup set I purchased from Amazon. And of course it came with a beautiful top and spoon. It came as a set, and you can drink hot or cold coffee or tea inside of them. And I think they are beautiful. Here is the other one. I will place it next to. Okay, so far everything looks good. And this beautiful glass tray I purchased from the thrift store. And well, actually it is a cheese tray. It came with these two beautiful little cheese knives, but I'm going to use it to put my coffee and tea containers on top of it, but I will not use these. These little jars, of course, from the Dollar Tree. I also have my coffee here and my tea bags here. I have a Keurig little thing I can put the coffee in and place it inside the machine, a little Keurig cup. And this little beautiful dish / tray I also purchased from the thrift store. And I think I'll use this to put my little goodies inside, cookies and biscuits inside. And I'm going to use these two faux buffalo check wood leaves. Maybe I'll stick them right here to add some. I'll stick them right by that little thing, I guess. And I'm going to place one of these doilies. I'm going to place one of these little doilies inside like that. And my cinnamon I use sometimes in my coffee, and I will stick that over, let's see, maybe I'll stick these two together like so, and add my cinnamon right there so I can see it. And I'm going to place my little goodies inside of this tray. Not many, because it's only going to be me and maybe my son. He likes coffee and tea. And that's pretty much it, you know. And over here, of course, would be I'm going to place my sugar and cream in this beautiful creamer. And I think, wait a minute, I have a few more things I'm going to add. Of course, the food. Oh my goodness, it's thunder. It's getting ready to rain, so I'm going to hurry up and get this done. These are very delicate cookies. They crack very easily, but they're very good. This is set up for just 2 persons because my son, he likes coffee. And I like coffee, but I mostly like tea, so I usually drink mostly tea. And during the winter months, I usually drink hot chocolate. But I will try to get these out of the package. And you have to break them apart. These are very good, but they're so flaky. See, they're falling, flakes falling already. Look at that, very flaky cookies. Okay guys, this is the final setup of my coffee and tea bar. As you can see, I think it turned out very nice. I added all the beautiful Dollar Tree signs on the wall. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe, and I hope your day is filled with blessings. And thanks for watching. watching, and many blessings.